Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 3 of summer program. This week, we're going to be learning all about the number 3, different ways to show the number 3. We're going to be counting groups of 3. And we're also going to incorporate our region of Michigan that we're talking about this week, which is the East Central region of Michigan. So all of those items we're going to be counting are going to be things that have to do with the East Central region of Michigan. All right, so let's get started. Here is the number 3. Now we're going to spell the word 3. This word's a little tricky. What does it start with? 3. 3. What would be the first letter? First letter is T, but it doesn't sound like t, does it? No, what's the next letter? H. So TH together make the sound. So 3 starts with the sound TH. And then we have R, E, E. That's how you spell the word 3. And this is how you write the word 3. You always start at the top, and then work your way down. 3 is kind of fun because it has the two humps or the 2 curves. The next slide shows a 10 frame. This is the number 3 on a 10 frame. 1, 2, 3 circles. And here is someone showing 3 fingers on their hand. Here are 3 tally marks. And here's a number line where the red circle is placed on the number 3. All right, and here's our slide that shows the part of Michigan we're focusing on this week, which is the East Central region. That is that purple region showing on your slide. Or, as we talked about last week, I can show you, we can talk about Michigan on our hand. It's this region, this thumb region right here. Thumb and through the center. So I used thumbs because we talked about the thumb region this week. We've got 1, 2, 3 thumbs up. Here are 3 lighthouses. 1, 2, 3. And I chose to count lighthouses because there are a lot of lighthouses in Michigan. And in this region we're talking about this week is the oldest lighthouse. It's in Port Huron, Michigan. And here we're going to count 3 boats. 1, 2, 3. Wherever there's water, there's boats. You would see sailboats, fishing boats, pontoon boats. People have all kinds of boats, and this is like a tour boat. This is the kind of boat that takes a bunch of people around a certain area to show it to them. Here are 3 fish. 1, 2, 3. Lots of fishing goes on in Michigan, and I chose, the type of fish I chose are walleye. And that's because in the East Central region of Michigan, walleye is one of the most popular fish that people fish for. And here are 3 sugar beets. 1, 2, 3. Because sugar beets are produced in the East Central region of Michigan. And sugar beets are actually what is used to make the white sugar that might be sitting on your table, or mom or dad uses it to cook. The table sugar, the white sugar, is made from either sugar cane or sugar beets. And here are 3 sugar beets. That's what they look like. They're produced here, right here in Michigan. All right, so next we are going to be taking a look at the number 3s that I made this week. Here's a number 3 I made using Fruity Pebbles. So I just took some cereal and formed it to make the number 3. Here is a paper number 3, and I just used some confetti to decorate it. Here's a number 3 I made out of phloem. It's very similar to Play-Doh, but this is phloem. And last, I made this number 3 using toothpicks. So I wasn't able to curve the toothpicks like how we talked about 3 has the 2 curves or the 2 humps. So this number 3 ended up looking more like a digital 3, or a number 3 that you would see on a digital clock or on a computer. So, all right, that is all I have for you today on the number 3. Now it is your turn to make a number 3 to show me. I can't wait to see what you come up with. See you soon. Bye.